Getting started with Wishtrip. Welcome to Wishtrip. You're ready to get started building your site. The site builder is designed to take you step by step through all the elements needed to create a great site. Anyone can do it. You just need to follow the prompts. And if you find you need some help, you can click on the lamp icon, which appears on every page. Here, you can find helpful tips and a link to a supporting tutorial video, like this one. A few useful things to notice before you begin. The menu bar on the left of the screen shows you what stage you're working on in the site builder and what you have coming up. When you've completed a stage, it appears green. A red dot indicates that a section is missing critical information or has incorrect information included. The stage that you're currently working on is indicated with a black border. You don't need to complete the sections in order, but some elements won't become available until others are complete. You'll have to complete all required steps before publishing. A required element is indicated by a red dot. Certain Wishtrip features that you may be anxious to try, such as interactive games and dynamic crowdfunding, are created using a different part of the platform that can only be accessed after your site has been created and approved. As you work on your site, the green tick at the top of the screen lets you know that your changes have been automatically saved in the Wishtrip server. If the tick does not turn green, wait a little and then refresh the page. You can undo your last action, log out, or simply return to the home page up here. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the simulator. The small arrow allows you to hide or reveal it. As you build your site and make changes, you'll see any changes and additions you make on the simulator as they will appear to the user on their phone or desktop. You can switch between your different languages by clicking on the language selector. Just as the Wishtrip app interface is available in 14 languages, so is this site builder. If you prefer to work in a different language, go to the bottom of the page and change the UI language there. This won't affect the end product, the language your visitor will see. So, what are you waiting for? Click the words "Thank you, Genie" in the site builder to start working on your site.